Today, I will be repairing this broken mug in the kintsugi style, but instead of buying the kit for a one-off repair, I will show you how I did it using gel superglue and a gold marker pen. By far the most difficult part is the first bit, working out which piece goes where. Just take your time. I start with the biggest pieces and bits with the lip on. This gave me an idea of where the small parts go. Once you have figured this out, you can begin to glue. A thin bead of glue is all you need. This stuff is really easy to control compared to normal super glue. If you get little bits seeping out, don't worry, that actually contributes to the style. The gold will go over this. It's the same with any imperfections, the gold will cover them. I'll fast forward the gluing process, but you get the idea. One thing I will say about this cup, I never intend to drink from it again. It is going to be more of a decorative piece that I can display somewhere so it looks nice. One thing I will advise is to put a little bit of cardboard down. If you look, I've got glue on this table and the wife isn't going to be happy. Also, I've got glue all over my fingers, so just be careful of that too. Now we can start using the gold marker pen to go along all the joints that we've repaired. This is the most enjoyable part of the whole process for me. You see the whole thing come together, and now really the only thing that's left is to choose somewhere to put it on display.
A beautiful object.